She is dash work all the day today. At, in, and on. The correct answer is she is at work all the day today. But why? At is used because it is mentioning the specific activity. Okay? In is not used because in is used to explain the closed spaces, buildings, rooms, etc. Okay? An is used for ovals or it is used for singular ones. Right? You will be familiar why an is not used in this case. On is not used because on is used to mention surfaces, roads, corners, etc. So in this case, at is the perfect answer. She is at work all the day. Okay?